Shut up.
County in central Kentucky, East Central LaRue County in central Kentucky, northwestern Marion County in central Kentucky, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles east of Hodgenville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Loreno, Raywick, St. Francis, Berg Spring, St. Joseph, Adela, Belltown, St. Mary, and Gleanings. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Yep, tornado possible.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm.
I'm going to go on here so I can die.
Do not...
Yep, got another.